Hi, my name is Ashish, and in this video we will see review sensitive information and label usage. So the data classification overview page will give you a snapshot of how sensitive information and labels are being used in the organization. It will also display the volume of sensitive data across Exchange, SharePoint, and OneDrive. The view is categorized by sensitive information types like social security numbers, credit card numbers, and IP addresses. It will answer a lot of questions like what all sensitive data is out there, right? What labels are being used? Is your sensitive data being copied or shared outside the organization? And you as an admin will complete few tasks. In the overview section, you will examine the volume and location of sensitive and business critical information. You will monitor risky activities associated with sensitive information. You will understand label utilization across Microsoft 365 to improve protection and governance policies. Let me share a snapshot of that. This snapshot I've taken from Microsoft documentation. You can go and look at the course of SC400, which I am referring to make these videos. So the overview page, as you can see, so if you have a license, like if I show you my compliance portal, right? So you see this overview. Because I don't have a lab set up or a license that I can onboard data here, that is why I'm not seeing what it should show like this, right? Top classification set, sensitivity labels applied to the content, top retention labels, activities detected, locations where sensitivity labels are applied, locations where retention labels are applied, or information protection label summary. I should see here, but I am seeing this because I don't have the data, no trainable classifier. So see, it is asking me to onboard the license. When I try to do it, you either need Office 365 E3 or you need Microsoft 365 E2 or E3, I guess. So it is giving me for free, but then it is telling me to add my credit card. Right after the trial period, it will charge me. If you will see the cost, it is like more than 2000 rupees per license, right? And it is giving me this 25 licenses. I don't want to risk that. That is why I'm referring to the screenshots from documentation, right? So if you see here, so each card except for the Azure Information Protection Label Summary links to either the Activity Explorer or Content Explorer. That is also available here on the portal, all right, where a more thorough examination of the data can be done through the Activity Explorer or Content Explorer. We'll have this topic discussed in the coming videos. So when you see the top sensitive information types or info types, it will show the top sensitive information type discovered in the organization, right? So this card will be visible if Microsoft 365 has identified any sensitive information types in SharePoint Online, Exchange Online, and OneDrive. Okay, there is no setup or configuration required. You can use the information on the sensitive information type discovered to help you determine what label and policies to create. Following this, right? So you will click on the portal here, view all sensitive information type. It will show you the sensitive info types used most in your content if you have onboarded 365 compliance, if you have that license. Top sensitivity labels applied to content, it will show, okay, this is the journal content, it will the confidential or the legal or top secret, whatever labels you have applied. And the most frequently applied or grouped by the sensitivity labels. It will also show you location where sensitivity labels are applied, like this. Is it SharePoint Online or Exchange or OneDrive? Top retention labels applied. Show you the locations as well and the top activities detected. So this is where you will review your sensitive information and label usage after you have applied the labels. Okay, so I hope this was informative for all of you guys. If you have any further queries, please mention them in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. In the next video, or in the next topic that you will cover or you will read, you can explore labeled and sensitive content. In that, you will use the Content Explorer that will show a current snapshot of items with a sensitivity label or retention label applied. You can read more about it on the Microsoft documentation. Thank you. Have a good day.